welcome to Beauty Chat with MDill. We're here today with the creative director of Bodycraft, Swati Gupta. And we're going to ask her a lot of questions about skin and hair. So let's get started. Swati, I wanted to start by asking you about some common hair issues that people come to you with. Maybe related to the scalp or other issues that you commonly face.
Sure. We see a lot of issues with dandruff where the scalp is concerned. Sensitive, itchy scalp, sometimes scalp which has a little infection. Scalp which can sometimes in this monsoon kind of weather become extremely oily. So it becomes very oily and greasy. There are scalp issues like hair fall, which is very common as well. In terms of the length issues, dryness is one of the most common problems, dryness and dehydrated hair. Hair which lacks shine, hair which can sometimes be very, very damaged and which can, show a lot of split ends as well.
Right. So, since you've been in the business for so long, are there any simple solutions that you can offer our viewers, things they could do at home? Maybe they could go to their salon and ask to have it done to their hair.
Yeah. I think one of the best things that you can consider in terms of salon treatments these days is hair spa treatments. They are a very wholesome experience in the sense that they have something that they can offer for the scalp as well as the length. So you have treatments which are specific for dandruff, oiliness, sensitive, itchy scalps, and specific for the dehydration of length. There are shine treatments, there are volumizing treatments. There are all kinds of varied treatments which are available in a hair spa, which any good consultant, a spa consultant, should be able to guide you with. There are very, very advanced products available which most of us worry about it being chemicals. So these are most products made out of plant and flower concentrates. So they are meant to only help you. It cannot harm you in any way at all. The same ranges have products for home care which are available as well. So you have a follow-up care which you take on at home. Instead of just doing something once in 2 or 3 weeks in the salon. You have something that you can take back home and work at home as well. As home remedies, if you want to, do some stuff. Some of the good, most commonly used ingredients for hair are curds. Curds work very well. Egg is a fabulous, protein to work with on the hair. But the biggest problem with egg is its smell. So you cannot use it because actually egg as a product works for dryness. It works to give you volume as well. It works to cover split ends. Depending on what you use it with, it can actually help in a lot of different, aspects of the hair. But yes, the smell is an issue, so you have to do it at least once, maybe once a month.
Should you use the whole egg or just the white?
The yellow. No, the yellow works.
The yellow
best
works.
Actually. The yellow works the best. So that egg works excellent. Curds work very well. Olive oil is a very good ingredient to be used at home. For the scalp, they say sometimes lime juice and vinegar are products that can be used for dandruff and itchiness, but these are products that can sometimes be a little tricky. It's not something which is commonly available for everybody to use. If you have extra sensitive scalp, you may react to maybe a little bit of the vinegar or, so you're always safer doing something in the salon which is tried and tested and which has variants available for every small issue attached to the scalp. But a once in a while home remedy treatment where you mix curd and egg and a little bit of oil normally works excellent for the length, especially the split ends and things like that.
Great. You mentioned, salon treatment, the hair spa. Right? How often do you suggest someone should get a hair spa done?
Hair spa treatments can be done depending on the issue. As often as even once a week if required. With very, very chronic hair problems, we sometimes, like if there's a very chronic dandruff problem, we sometimes recommend the dandruff treatment being done even twice a week.
I see,
But these are then phased off. So it should also just eventually become a part of your regular care routine.
Right.
So once a month spa as a regular follow-up care is good.
Okay.
So that you're able to diagnose a problem the minute it's starting
Right.
and does not reach the extreme stage. But initially, depending on how your consultant is guiding you, once a week, once in 2 weeks is fairly common.
Cool, sounds good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Swati. I think that'll be very helpful for our viewers. And we'll come back for more questions on beauty with Swati.
Thank you. Thank you.